welcome back to Kenobi's Cave. As you can see, I'm not currently in Kenobi's Cave, as you've seen on previous videos. The Empire discovered my location. Thank you, Nara. Today, I'm happy to be back to show you a video on how I'm going to be repairing my Mandalorian armour, Green Mando, for Liverpool Comic Con next week. As you can see, I'm just using some fire plates. And I'm using my hot glue gun. That trusty hot glue gun. Always be safe. Always be careful and use gloves. Otherwise you get blisters. Like that one right there. But it's also very useful. Have working gloves. Which I left in my pocket from work. So these armour plates that I'm using. Earplugs. Were a recent addition I made to the armour. It took me about 18 months really though, just to get the armour how I wished it to be, and I'm comfortable with it. And make sure I can move in it, I can sit in it, I can put it on by myself, but it's always useful if someone helps me. Well, let's get to it. So I'm going to be using a hot glue gun. Whoops. Force was not with me on that one. As you can see, I'm still using a tripod for me videos. Still haven't got around to using that technology. Laptops. So I'm just going to apply it generously to the weapon. I'm getting a glue stick. I always allow it to warm up for at least 5 to 10 minutes maybe, so it's like lava. And just along the ridge. I may have to go back and reinforce it later. So this still has the hot glue on it from the previously, but I'm just going to stick with it. Couldn't find an iron to take it off. And as you can see, my fingers aren't getting burned because of the gloves. So whilst that is setting, and hopefully the phone doesn't fall out, as that's setting, I would like to talk about my new armour I want to build after Liverpool. I keep saying I've got so many costumes I want to do, you never find a time. I even got a sewing machine for my birthday to make a tunic. But I always do my best work, and within 3 days, time pressure. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So now, my new armour that I want to make, I'm just so inspired by the Mandalorian, make it our best guard. But already prepped on getting the weapons. I'm debating whether having 2 of these and fitting them to my back, so it'd be like, boom. Or just keep it natural. I know I'm not going to put an air bullet in there, it's my phone. Yeah, and also my hair's gotten really long as well since then, since the last video. Which, it's like a Mandalorian theme really going on. You can't beat it though. Gotta look good in armour. That's it. And what I do is I've fitted webbing around the thigh plates and the cross plate. If I've done this right, which I hope I have. Yeah, let's just stick with it. That ties around my waist at the back. One clip. I did previously have them attached to snap buttons that went onto my flight suit. It's just a standard boiler suit that you can get from Screwfix, Machine Mart, anywhere but Tool Station. And then the weapon attaches to the clips which go around my thighs. Bear with me a sec, I'm still here. Ta-da! You can see, I think done the wrong way round, but it's been a long day. Okay, I've had to work up at 5 in the morning to escape the Empire, and I got their foundries building for Palpatine. Yes, so maybe in future, hopefully in my next video, I'll be making a video on how I made my Jedi tunic or Sith Lord. I've always wanted to do Sith. So Obi-Wan Kenobi. May the Force be with you.